or you have to block my view. You put the panel all the way from the cabinet down to the bed, and you put the heater there. Would it work?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't even want to block your view.
Thank
want to
you.
put a big ugly heater up here, right?
No, the heater will be facing out. I wouldn't see it from here. You put a panel of board there.
Here?
Vertical from the cabinet, from the shelf to the
over
bed.
here?
Yeah,
Or here you mean?
yeah.
Down this way.
Uh-huh. And then
Hang the
you
heater there.
yeah. So I wouldn't
Oh.
see the heater.
And they hang the heater in here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that might work.
Now what?
Oh, I'm just trying to figure out how to fasten it there. Uh-oh.
No?
No, it's too high. Door's gonna hit it. How come? Oh my God.
What? What?
Okay. It's not gonna work. Why didn't I see this? Look,
See what?
the molding is right here. But when we push it back to the edge, it's not enough. Waste of time.
Really?
How long did I waste on that? 2 hours?
We cannot fix it?
No, it's, well, look at the distance there.
There's no way we can fix it?
No,
What?
it's too, well, the thing's too big. I measured wrong.
Oh, you move this in?
It would have to go in here.
If it could work.
No, because it all seems to be temporary. Because it's just someplace to hang the thing, right? That's what we're looking for. There you go.
Oh yeah. This is the biggest frustration then.
Yeah.
But I still don't understand. If you can hang on the door, why can you fit it here? Or you move a little bit this way?
See, it's hanging on the door here. It fits.
Right,
Right. There's a little bit of room.
right,
Like I was allowing for like even not much room.
right.
And the adjusting knobs are down below. But
If you go up,
when you put it up here,
what stop it?
it has to go this low. Or be out here like this.
Right.
fit there. Or there. So let's see, this part here is hanging out so far.
Right.
So, okay, that would work. But it's hanging out there that far.
Okay.
Okay. Try again.
Looks like a perfect spot for that.
Yeah. So this is a quick connector, right? Okay, there.
For what? For water.
That's your hot water for your shower. This is how they intended you to use this. Right? That's why.
Oh.
They gave us a wrench that doesn't fit in. Okay. You have to get cold water in.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where that big pump comes in.
Oh.
This is in, and that's out to the heater. So this goes from the water tank or from your hose hookup. Okay, so yeah, they got lots of good elbows in here,
What's that?
right? This will hook onto here. It's pretty simple stuff, right? Goes on there. And then you can turn that pipe anywhere you want it. So it would be like this on the wall. You have the pipes coming out, or you can have the pipe going up, wherever you want it. And the one that comes in has a filter, right? So you can put the filter on here, right? And then hook this up. So if you get a leaf or something coming in here, or grass or something, it'll get stuck in there.
Oh, this is a safety.
Safety for the pump, yeah. And then you can just unscrew that.
Smart.
Okay. Okay, here's your bucket of water for your shower. Right?
Uh-huh.
You gotta put the hose in it. And this is what you're gonna hear in the van.
Oh.
But you're not gonna run it when the van is just only when you have a shower. Right?
But this water is supposed to go there.
Yeah. See how strong it is? It's pretty strong, eh?
Oh, yeah.
It says 3 gallons.
Yeah.
3 gallons a minute.
A minute.
Hook your hose up to it like that.
Right.
Right. And then you turn the water on. There it goes.
Oh.
As soon as it gets water pressure to it. So the idea, as soon as you turn this off, you hear click.
Right.
Right. Then it comes back on.
Propane?
Hook the propane.
Cool.
And you hook your propane up when you've got your batteries in. Right.
That's it.
Then you.
Ready for a shower.
Oh yeah, it's hot already.
Quick. Huh?
Shower.
Wow, nice.
This is your water flow.
Uh-huh.
So you turn it to minimum, and then you increase it for your shower.
Mm-hmm.
And this is your heat, because it says gas.
Mm-hmm.
So medium heat,
Mm-hmm.
right? It'll tell you the temperature,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can adjust it the way you like after that, right? Now it's getting to, let's see, 90 degrees. It's stabilized at 90 degrees. How hot is it up there?
See, I can
You
hold
can
it.
still hold it down there. No problem. Up to 92 degrees.
Look, 92.
You have to Google it. I don't know, maybe it's 25 degrees or...
So it works.
Yeah.
But when I use it, I have to open the door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's unless you want to lose all your storage and put in an inside hot water heater. That's what you have to do. Like I say, it would have to be a special tank, automotive propane tank, is what it's called, right? And it lays on its side, and it has special mounting so that they can screw it to the frame underneath, right? And then they will put in a remote connection that will come to the side of the van, right? So you can't take it out and fill it. You have to take the van to someplace that has automotive propane.
Okay.
And then from that tank, you'd be able to go, you'd have to run a line along the frame and then come up inside here somehow to attach to here, right? That would be, this would be the only connection inside, so it'd be 100% no leak, right?
What connection are you looking for here then? Go to there?
I have no idea.
Well, that kind of connection. Is this for their one?
This is for the stove.
So, that there. There's that one there. That'll clip on there. I don't think that one was the proper one. I'd probably go for. I'd probably go that one there. That's one I would use. That's my opinion.
Okay.
You know, it's up to you though.
Try it.
It's backwards, yeah.
Oh,
So you undo it this way,
okay.
right? But that one is normal.
Okay.
So that one up there, you put it on, you screw it on like normal, right?
So which one should I buy?
The only determining factor is this piece here. This is the same thread as the small bottle.
Oh, yeah.
Right? If you look
Yeah,
at the top,
yeah.
same thing. So if your stove works
Yeah.
with a small one, it'll work with this.
Okay.
See how this bracket is welded here, so I can't move it. I can't make it wider. How much was this one?
100.
Yeah, I'd send it back because it's not going to do what you want. I'll try to manufacture one for you.
That's great.
So we can make it look nice just by putting this stuff on,
Right.
right, for the propane tank to sit on. And then the bracket would be like here, and we put that in behind, right? So that this is going to come and sit on the... So
There.
Yeah,
But
not onto here.
if we mount it here, how can I put the bicycle there?
Because your bicycle is going to sit out here, thinking that the width of the propane tank shouldn't affect your bike. You can put your bike on the outside.
Oh,
Right
okay.
here, right? So that way we don't have to mount anything more to it. Because this is so thin,
Yeah,
I'm worried about even being able to mount anything to here,
right.
right? This doesn't pose a problem because all the weight is hanging up there,
Right,
right?
yeah.
So it's okay. And 11 pounds, it's not going to matter. You know, I can hang off of that. And then we'll put some padding on the back, so if it hits the door, it won't matter.
Oh,
But the mount, we make it tight, and it'll hold it from moving. I want to kind of measure it up. Research and development. Okay?
yes.
Oh yeah. That's perfect. So like this, we'd make a little notch right here. Yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with that.
No, I mean, I don't get it. So, yeah,
Well,
whatever
show
you
this by
say.
drawing a
I
picture.
know.
So, you know, there'd be a notch on either side, like that. And then this weld will sit in that notch, but this part will sit here, right? Will sit on here.
Right.
My artwork isn't so
Yeah.
good. But, and then we can cut that to fit.
Right.
So, and then we'll have to make our own straps. This, yeah, design will work.
Simple and easy.
Yeah. Two. Get the bolts and the aluminum for about $45 for everything.
See, this
We
what
save money.
this what DIY is about.
DIY. Her favorite sound. So, the idea is going to be bolted together. This is going to be bolted on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And then the propane tank. Get a good view. So that's going to sit down a little lower, like that, just to let the water run out. And then the propane tank is just going to sit in there like that. And not, oh, stand there. Okay. Once it's bolted together, of course, so it's just going to rest in there. And that bottom of the propane tank is going to sit on here, like that. And then the U-bolts will go through here and here to hold it to the ladder. And then we'll put a strap around it.
Perfect. Perfect. Now look like really secure.
Yep.
My little cute tank. Really cute.